Hello to everyone, this is Dr. Maryam and I welcome everyone on channel LegalOne UAE. Today is speaking about rent, what are the recent news and what are the latest updates in this regards. So speaking about rent issues, we can concentrate on the latest updates in the Emirate of Dubai, where there will be a new rent law that will support the position of the landlord and the position of the tenant to make it more transparent and more organized between these two parties. So the landlord will not have possibility to increase the rent until the end of the contract, and once the contract is ended or you are discussing the renewal, there is a possibility of increase or decrease of the rent. Depends on the RERA calculator. Always follow RERA calculator to see what is the correct amount of your rent. Depends on the location. Also, there is a possibility to ensure that there will be no termination from the side of the landlord only until there is some violation by the tenant. So here, if there are no violations by the tenant, there cannot be any termination by the landlord until the end of the contract and with the further notice and with the further reason. So there should be a reason. If, for example, the landlord would like to use the premises for his own needs, he needs to send 12 months notice for the tenant. If, for example, the landlord would like to sell the premises, he needs to send 12 months notice to the tenant. If, for example, there is non-payment of the contract by the tenant, the landlord can send 30 days notice with the further eviction. If there is any breach of contract by the tenant, the serious breach, also there should be a notice and there should be a process of discussing and of mentioning of this reason in the notice. So without of violation, there is no direct possibility for the landlord to evict or to terminate the contract with the tenant. This is a security for the tenant if he is doing his part properly to stay in the place safely and to ensure that his rights are protected. Whatever the disagreement between the parties, they always can apply to the RERA to make a further discussion and to make a further meeting to ensure that the rights of the both parties are well protected and well presented. I hope that this video will be useful for each and everyone, especially if you have any thoughts or doubts regarding your rent. If you have any questions, please share them through the messages or on the email LegalOne. Thank you so much for your attention. Take care. Goodbye.